Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. Nothing's really changed from Friday, except it's sort of a big down, big up, big confusion, and we're just hovering here in this area that we've been speaking about for quite some time now, and that is around 15,958, 1600 area. That's kind of where we're hovering. And if you look at the oscillators, we haven't crossed over yet, but we're starting to get into a position where you would expect it to move up. But yeah, sellers on Thursday, buyers on Friday. I think you're probably going to continue sideways until we get some decent structure into the market. If you look at the 3 hour, you can see from a weekly perspective, we had a gap here which was closed on Friday. That's in the zone right here, and we've basically come back and tested the 155 EMA. We have a little bit of a crossover on the moving averages, but they're not giving us any indication. Look at the oscillators, they have crossed over, pointing up. So kind of leaning towards a move to the upside. There's two trend lines, and I think that's the one that you need to pay attention to. But if we get down to the hour and have a look at what happened. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all 3 days were sideways, but sideways to down, sideways, Thursday sideways to down, and then Friday definitely sideways, big down, big up, big down, big up. So we basically closed with the green hammer. You can see that the tail open was here, closes up there, and then all this price action below is the hammer, is the tail. Oscillators at the moment pointing to the upside as well. So I would kind of what's the 1600 area? You want a clear daily close above it, and then sort of, or even a 3 hour close above it, and then you're looking for the pullback onto that structure before you're looking to trade to the upside. For me at the moment, this is clearly sideways. We've still got a pretty strong bit of resistance, overhead resistance here, which we need to break before we actually get going. So I suspect we're going to be staying in this area. There's not much in the line of earnings coming through today, so you're probably just going to be ranging around, mucking around in this area until we start getting into the earnings proper, which is probably only be towards the end of the week, early next week type thing. So for me, this is a no-go. Not interested in trading this right now. Not even on the 15-minute. Virtually impossible. You can see the trend was down, so yeah, you were looking for shorts off the moving averages, and you had 3 opportunities, but it didn't get going. And now you have another grouping of the oscillators now, so I would expect a pullback first, somewhere into structure. So the challenge is, where is that structure? So it could be anywhere between 15,958 and 15,891. So those are the 2 areas I'd be watching. Wait for structure, wait for pullback into somewhere, one of these tails here on the 15 minutes, and then look for the opportunity to buy into this going to 16,031. But as I say, I'd prefer this to be a little bit more structure on the hour, so that we can get a longer term move to the upside or downside. But at the moment, this is sideways, so I will sit on my hands. But it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.